Are you still struggling with thick, hard-to-cut toenails caused by fungal infections? Did you know that toenail fungus not only looks unpleasant but can also harm your health? Hi, I'm Sunhe, a professional foot care specialist. Today, I'll share a step-by-step guide to safely and effectively trim fungal nails while giving you exclusive care tips. Stay tuned. You won't want to miss this. Many people think nail fungus is just a cosmetic issue. But did you know it's actually caused by fungal infections, medically known as onychomycosis? Even worse, if left untreated, it can spread to healthy nails or lead to severe complications. For instance, nails can thicken, become brittle, and even fall apart, causing discomfort while walking. A common misconception is that nail fungus only affects older adults, but it can happen to anyone, especially if you often wear tight shoes, have sweaty feet, or frequent public places like swimming pools and gyms. Fungus loves warm, damp environments, making your feet an ideal target. Before trimming fungal nails, preparation is key. This ensures an easier process and prevents infections. Start by sanitizing your tools. Always clean your clippers, nail files, and other tools with alcohol or disinfectant. This step is non-negotiable. Sharing unclean tools is one of the main ways infections spread. Next, soften your nails by soaking your feet in warm water for 10-15 minutes. For better results, you can add some salt, disinfectant, or even a few drops of tea tree oil, which has natural antifungal properties. Once your nails are softened, pat your feet completely dry, paying extra attention to the areas between your toes. Fungus thrives on moisture, so keeping your feet dry is critical. Now let's dive into the actual trimming process. Look at the direction of nail growth and assess how thick or infected the nail is. This step is important because fungal nails are often deformed and blindly cutting them could lead to injuries. Use your clippers to trim the nail in small sections, starting from the edges and working toward the center. Avoid cutting too deeply or all at once, as this can cause the nail to split or break unevenly. Be patient and precise. Rushing can lead to pain or even infections. After trimming, use a nail file to gently smooth the surface of the nail. Filing helps reduce the thickness and allows antifungal treatments to penetrate more effectively. Remember to file in one direction to avoid creating jagged edges. Cleaning under the nail is another crucial step. Fungal infections often leave debris underneath the nail, which can create pressure and discomfort. Use a foot care tool to gently clear out any buildup, but be careful not to damage the nail bed. After trimming, the care doesn't stop there. Apply an antifungal treatment prescribed by a doctor or recommended by a pharmacist. Ensure your nails are clean and dry before application for the best results. If you're using over-the-counter solutions, look for ingredients like terbinafine or clotrimazole, which are effective against fungal infections. Keeping your feet dry is just as important as using medication. Change your socks daily and opt for moisture-wicking materials like cotton or bamboo. Avoid wearing the same pair of shoes 2 days in a row. Give them time to air out. If you can, sprinkle antifungal powder into your shoes to prevent reinfection. Fungal nails require consistent care, so make trimming and treatment a regular part of your routine. Trim your nails every 2 weeks, or as needed, to prevent overgrowth. If you notice any signs of reinfection, such as discoloration or thickening, address it immediately rather than waiting for it to worsen. It's also essential to treat athlete's foot if you have it. Athlete's foot and nail fungus often go hand in hand, and ignoring one can lead to the other. Use antifungal creams or sprays for your skin, and keep your feet clean and dry. Preventing fungal infections is easier than you think. Avoid walking barefoot in public places, especially in locker rooms, gyms, and pools. Always wear flip-flops or sandals in these areas. If you frequently get pedicures, ensure the salon follows proper sanitation practices and, if possible, bring your own tools. Remember, fungal infections take time to heal. Even with the best care, it can take several months for a healthy nail to grow back completely. Stay consistent with your routine and don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. That's it for today's video. As you can see, nail fungus isn't scary if you care for it scientifically and consistently. If you have any other foot health concerns, leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to help. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel Liansong Healthy Foot Spa. Let's keep your feet healthy together. See you next time.
谢 K 了。